to all of you. In South Africa, we go to the road with our yearling birds at the end of April, beginning of May. So today, I want to show to you what the most important indication for me is that a baby bird or a yearling is ready, or for that matter, even a senior bird. So the latest phase of the molting is usually around the neck area here. So that takes place in the latest phase of molting, and that's usually in April and May. So when the pigeon is still molting around the neck, it's a no-go for me. When you take a pigeon to the road and it's still molting around the neck area, then they will hyperventilate, they will go down, and they will dehydrate, and usually it causes death. So I see it every year, pigeons that get lost, young babies, and they need to be shiny around the neck area, like this oak. A perfect shine. The moment it's shining, you know that they have completed the molt. If it's not, you can rather wait a week or two, because it's not a long process, but it's one of the most common causes of pigeons that gets lost. So let the pigeons molt, especially the body molt. The primary flights doesn't matter that much, but the body molt is really important to complete before you start going to the road. If they're shiny like this oak, you'll have no trouble. Have a fantastic day, and I hope you enjoyed this.